No.
Good memory card.
Me jodió la foto.
Despistado como siempre, apostando todo amor. Te encontré a ti, bailando las penas de mi tambor. ¿Y quién me advirtió de tu amor? Yo vi dando vueltas por ahí, melodías me dolían y salían de mi vida. Todo no puedo vivir. Tengo que decidir dónde voy a ir. Pueblo en melancolía porque
Hey folks, how's it going? Today I'm gonna do a quick episode. Well, first I'm in Tbilisi, Georgia. I've been shooting here for the last month, studying the place to probably in the future give some workshops here as well. It's a cheap place to be in and very nice actually. Good food, cheap and good. So what else you need, you know? So by the way, I'm shooting now with a Rollei 35 and then a Kentmere 400. And I push it one stop. This is an underground market right beside the train station. So, well, I wanted to share with you guys something that happened to a friend of mine recently. Actually, he was attacked by a mob of people. Well, the whole story, I don't know all the details very well, but basically he was shooting with his Rico GR somewhere in Russia, and he took a photo of a woman with a dog, and there were some children, some minors playing on the background, like wrestling, something like that. And they asked him, they followed him, and they asked him to delete the photos. First, he wasn't taking photos of them, but they were in the background. So he agreed, he deleted the pictures, but then the guys came back and didn't believe him. And right when he was like kind of saying, hey guys, sorry, but I already deleted them, one of the mob punched him in the face. He fell, and then the rest of the group, they all started beating him up, you know. They broke his nose, actually. Not really badly, it's not displaced, so it's still in the same position, so it's not that bad, but it's still really, really worrying, honestly. I called him, he's fine, he's not even afraid. He told me, like, the only thing I was trying to do was to protect my camera. So I'm gonna switch now to actually to my chest, so I'm gonna take some photos. Okay, I'm gonna need to wait here for a while. In the last 6-7 years I've been doing street photography. I think I only had one kind of big argument, and I wasn't even taking photos of the guy. So, the same story. I remember when it happened to me, it was also a guy probably selling drugs or something like that. He approached me very, very violently, and oh, you're cloudy. Fuck. And he, I don't know what he was saying, but he was super angry. I wasn't even taking photos of him. I showed him the pictures, and he was like, delete, and I said, what? He wasn't even in the photos, but anyway. Well, there's not much you can do about it when there's a group of guys like that attack you. More than, you know, protect yourself. Not like my buddy that he protect his camera instead. Such a dude. If someone attacked me, the last thing I would worry about is the camera. But he was like, oh no, I need to protect my camera first. No, but never mind if they break my, no, everything. So I don't know.
estar lejos no da esa facultad de perdernos y volvernos a encontrar, de curarnos.
Yeah, man. Okay. Huh? Then he was laughing. So you see, like, the guys, one of the guys, the three guys that just took a photo was a little bit angry. They just smiled, and one of them said, "Yeah, let's leave it." You know, he wanted to see the photo, but it's a film camera, so. So yeah, that might happen. You know, always you can have a guy that is not really like willing you to take photos, and you know, just smile and compliment to something. You know. Anyway, so, but what happened to my friend is not common at all. But it can happen. I mean, it's the streets, it's random. So it might happen, it might never happen to you. But a few things to have in mind. If this happens, so someone attacks to you, don't worry about your camera. I mean, I know it's expensive. In some countries, you know, it's really hard to buy a new camera, but I think it's better that you're safe. It's better that you're safe. You keep your hands, you know, in good way. You know, you can keep taking photos in the future. Shit. I mean, if you keep safe your hands and your mind, your brain, you know, it's for me way more important than your camera. I mean, you can still take photos with a phone, but if something happens to you, like, there's no way back.
Confundirnos al andar, darle todo al que nada te da. Y vivir una aventura, hacerlo mal, seguir y vivir en las alturas, da igual, pues tú estás lejos.
So there's not much advice I can give you if you ever happen to be in a situation like that. I mean, for me, first will be safety. First, always. Then, you know, try to talk out of the situation. But if you don't speak the language, the local language, the only thing you can do is just smile and pray nothing is gonna happen. So, luckily, to my friends, some people in the area helped him, which is really nice. They actually grabbed these guys and asked. They convinced the little guy, the guys to say sorry. So they apologized. All of the damage was done, you know. And he didn't wait for the police. He decided just to say, okay, fuck it, and I would say, you know, I just wanna get my nose fine, and that's all. He could have got the police involved, but he didn't. I don't like it so much, but anyway.
Estar lejos es poner a Rubén Blades cuando sale el sol en tierras frías, cuando intentas
Waiting that the migros doesn't have that many people. I have a woman here on the left is in the foreground. I need something on the migros, and then I have another woman on the background. But I need something in the migros and more clean. There's too many people in the migros. So I will focus on the migros. So I'm gonna finish when the roll of film is finished. I have 28 pictures. I have 6 pictures left. So it better be worth it.
Salud, hermano mío. Hemos sobrevivido a esta peste y lo que ya no están se mantienen dentro del corazón y los actos. Vamos a definir lo que viene. Es hoy, hermano mío. Dejémonos de hablar, vamos a hacerlo, que nada cambiará si no cambias. Sé que suena muy fácil decirlo, pero tanto dolor, algo debe cambiar. Un reflejo te ha dado el lago, el progreso ha traído el río, y tú sigues pensando que todo lo has merecido. Entiendo que te ha dolido, o tal vez está vacío, pero es hora de cambiar la ruta de nuestro destino. Este apeste ha traído llanto, ese llanto ha caído el río. Imagina cómo a la pacha todo esto le ha dolido. Entiendo que estás dormido, o tal vez está vacío, pero es hora de...
So I think that was the last photo. Well, last advice to wrap up. Exactly like my friend said right away, no, I won't stop doing this. The same advice for you guys. If this ever happens to you, it's really sad. But honestly, at the end of the day, it's part of the randomness of the streets, and this almost never happens. So don't worry much about it. Have it in mind. Be careful, stay safe, but the most important is just do what you love. But yeah, stay safe. Okay, so if you like the content, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, anything, share my work, and that would really help me a lot to grow this channel and so on. Also, it'd be nice if you guys can donate something just to buy some film. You have my PayPal. It can be one-time donation. You don't need to subscribe to anything. You can do just one-time donation to let me, shoot more film because it's really expensive. And no, just joking. Yeah, take care. Have a good time, and till the next time. Cheers.